You can use blusher or eyeshadow as a full face makeup. Let me show you how. I will choose this shade as an eyeshadow, blusher, and lipstick. Apply a tiny bit of lip liner or lipstick, then apply the blusher on top of it. You can see now the difference between no makeup and blusher makeup. What do you think about this trick?